Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your pitch in Adobe Audition. So there is this more really common method of doing that. So you select your audio, then you go to effects, and then here we have in time and pitch, we have pitch shifter. A lot of people are using this. You can use different defaults here. You can, adjust this the way you want, or you can use some presets. But there's another way. Less people are aware of this method, where you have to go actually, instead of the multi-track, you have to go to the waveform and press Command plus A. You can also remove some parts you are not talking, you like to remove those parts, and now press Command plus A, and if you actually click on here and in time and pitch, you are actually able to change other options here, like automatic pitch correction. For instance, you have different presets here, and you can apply. Because if you only work here in multi-track, you are not able to change there more settings. But from here, you can also add multiple effects. Time and pitch, you have a pitch shifter, automatic pitch correction. You can also add some filters here. You can also add some echo, and then you change your pitch. By just using multiple effects, you can really achieve a very interesting effect in Adobe Audition. And there's actually also a manual method to add an effect. So change for this only this part of this video, and I can go to effects here, time and pitch, and also manual pitch correction. You can now toggle this on and off to hear the effects. Here I can click on apply. Now I can also press space on the keyboard to play this audio to see if I like the results, but I already know that I like it and I just applied it. Also here you can see your history, and if you don't see this, mostly it's because you haven't enabled this panel. So from here you can find all the panels here. You see this is the panel history.